Yeah, because you're the one who's screaming like a little baby.
Sorry.
Do you live here? I'm asking you a question. Do you live here? Do you? You live here? And you think your mother would appreciate you doing that to other residents?
She didn't do anything. It was her.
So you don't think we should respect each other? But then you say I'm not nice? But you're the one who started.
That was me. She said that.
That was you? So you should say you're sorry because you don't treat adults like that. I didn't do anything to you. You did it to us.
We're just having fun.
So are we. So are we. But we can't have our fun. Okay, so you come up here, you want to have fun. What do you want to do? I'll practice it. But we can't have our fun because you're screaming and we can't concentrate. Oh, just, and what? We can't be kids at 54? I can't be a kid anymore either?
You're under 18 years.
Oh, okay, that's really funny.